morning, students. In the previous online class, we got reminded of some of the models. Today, we are to deal with the rest of models like ought to, shall, might, have to, has to, had to, etc. Let us take up ought to. It is used to express desirability. For example, we ought to meet him. It is also used to express duty. We ought to give our best. Third, it is also used to express obligation. For example, we ought to speak the truth. Now, shall. It is used to express the future time. For example, we shall help you. It is also used to ask for suggestion, advice, request in the interrogative form. For example, shall I get you some biscuits? Next, it is also used to express threat, command, warning, promise, determination. It is used with second and third person. For example, they shall fight tooth and nail. It shows determination. But if you are in doubt, always use will. Always use. Now, might. It is the past form of may. It is used for seeking permission. For example, might I start speaking? It is also used to express less possibility. For example, she might arrive today. It is also used to express a hunch, guess, promotion, etc. For example, that might be Rohan. Now, has to, have to, had to. It is used to express compulsion, necessity, or obligation in the present or future tense. For example, Rajendra has to finish his work on time. I have to withdraw money from the bank. He had to move the almirah. Next, it is also used in negative and questions. Have to and had to are used with do, does, and did. They don't have to worry about food. She doesn't have to finish the drawings. Prem didn't have to go. Now let us know about the use of need. It is used to express necessity or obligation. For example, need you worry about your lost documents? Need I tell you more? Need she pay the amount? Now, must not. It is used to express the sense of obligation, compulsion, etc. For example, we must not waste our time. Second, you have fever. You must not jump around. She must not go late for the interview. Now, let us know the use of need not or needn't. It is used to express necessity in the negative sense. For example, I need not meet him. I can very well hear you. You needn't shout. You did not have abused him. Now the use of used to. It is used to express permanent past habits. For example, My father used to teach me mathematics when I was a child. Now the use of out not. Negative form of out. It is used to advise against something. He ought not smoke so much. We ought not disrespect our elders.